Gone are the days when women were just confined to their homes. Students were saying they want to become a teacher, some were saying CA, lawyer. So when my turn came, it didn't even take me a second to say that I want to become a successful hotelier.
विमेन इन होटल इंडस्ट्री। तो ये सवाल या ये पॉइंट सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में काफ़ी स्टीरियोटाइप्स बनने लग जाते हैं, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि आज की तारीख में काफ़ी विमेन इन स्टीरियोटाइप्स को तोड़ रहे हैं। हमारे साथ एक ऐसी शख्सियत मौजूद है, मिस डॉली तलदार।
नमस्कार।
डॉली जी इज डायरेक्टर एट रमाडा उदयपुर। आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल मस्ट हैव विजिटेड रमाडा उदयपुर, एंड जिन्होंने विजिट नहीं किया अभी विजिट करिए, इट्स रियली लवली प्लेस। सो आज हम रूबरू होंगे इनसे, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में थोड़ा सा हम जानेंगे और कैसे इन्होंने क्या क्या स्टीरियोटाइप्स तोड़े और क्या भ्रांतियाँ इन्होंने तोड़ी, उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा हम जानेंगे। सो डॉली जी, वेलकम टू आवर शो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग आउट सम टाइम टू कम टू आवर स्टूडियो। हम आपसे सबसे पहले अब जानना चाहेंगे कि होटल इंडस्ट्री में कितने वक्त हो चुका है आपको, कितना वक्त आपने होटल इंडस्ट्री में बिता दिया है?
Almost 8 years now that I've been in this wonderful world of hospitality.
Okay, great. Hospitality और होटल इंडस्ट्री, आप हाउ क्लोज आर दीज और हाउ डिफरेंट आर दीज? ये जो आपने हॉस्पिटैलिटी टर्म यूज किया है,
It means the same. Hospitality is a more general term which includes the hotels and resorts, restaurants. So hospitality is more
inclusive.
yes, it's more of an inclusive term. And hotel is just like
a hotel.
yeah.
Okay. So Dolly ji, next question, when did you decide to become a hotelier?
Since my childhood, I've always wanted to be a hotelier. So I remember when I was in 5th standard and our teacher was asking everybody what do they want to become when they grow up. So some students were saying they want to become a teacher, some were saying CA, lawyer. So when my turn came, it didn't even take me a second to say that I want to become a successful hotelier. And my teacher was also very impressed because I was very clear that I wanted to become a hotelier, and that too a very successful one at it.
Wow. So how were the early days like? Have you ever taken a formal education in the field of hotel, or you just went with the flow?
Yes, of course. I've done my graduation from IHM Mumbai. It's rated the best hotel school in East Asia.
Oh wow.
And then I've also worked in some of the hotels such as Grand Hyatt and the Park, Navi Mumbai. I wanted to study further. So I decided to do my post-graduation also in hotel management.
Okay.
So I went to Dubai for it, and I studied in the Emirates Academy, Dubai. And since my hotel school was associated with École Hotelier de Lausanne, Switzerland, which is ranked as the world #1 hotel school. So I had the opportunity to study, do half the course from Dubai and half from Switzerland. So I took full advantage of it, and so I did study in Dubai and Switzerland, and had the best of both the worlds.
In India, how much is the diversity like? What's the diversity ratio? कितने women हैं जो इस field में हैं, and at any level in collective?
So things are improving a lot, and gone are the days when women were just confined to their homes. So now more and more women are coming out, and they are working and supporting their families. And similarly in hospitality industry also, there are so many female employees who are working, and not just the they are at every designation in the hotel. So now you'll see a lot of female general managers also. Many hotels have female general managers. So things are only going up, and women are doing very good.
How hard is it for women to be on the to occupy the top positions in the hotels in today's date?
I really don't think that gender matters. I think you should have you should have full knowledge of your work, and you should have command over your work, and then sky is the limit. It doesn't matter if you are a woman. You can there is no limit. You can reach wherever you want.
Did you ever come across this situation in Udaipur or anywhere else while working in India, that people refuse to simply take orders from a woman now or in the past?
In my case, I have the privilege of being the owner's daughter, and I've studied in some of the best hotel schools. So, but generally now I don't think that like men have a problem in taking instructions from a woman. It's just that if they even respect you, because if they realize that you know your job so well, and you have knowledge, and you have knowledge of everything, and you should know, like every person should know the details of their job. So if you have that, then it's not that hard. I mean, people do listen to you, and they respect you.
That's great. All right, next question. Does your industry face any paycheck discrimination based on gender? Like, औरतों को कम मिलता हो किसी equivalent job position पे than.
No, there's no such paycheck discrimination.
Okay, so it's entirely based on skills and.
It's entirely based on your skills and your talent, and your willingness to learn, your willingness to learn more, and work harder, and yes, so there's no such discrimination.
That's great. Also, is there anything which you are personally doing or ensuring to ensure that there's a better gender equality, or there's a better environment for women at your workplace?
We do a lot of things to ensure that we create a very safe and happy environment for all our employees, especially the women employees.
Mhm.
So we do give accommodation to all our female employees, and we give them pick up and drop facility from their accommodation till the resort. And there are special activities and trainings for them, so that they can improve on their skills, and they can enhance their skills. And we celebrate Women's Day in a big way at Ramada Resort and Spa. Like they get to have a scrumptious buffet, and all the males serve them and make them feel special. We have a special committee also in the resort, and I'm a part of it, where we ensure that no unpleasant incidents happen to any of our female employees. And we are very proud to say that we have a good ratio of female employees, and till date there's no such incident which has happened.
That's great. So, Dolly ji, when it comes to the word feminism, that has been a buzzword of late. काफ़ी लोगों के काफ़ी अलग-अलग versions of the word है, adaptations of the word है.
Yeah.
तो आपका क्या इस पे take है? What's feminism for you?
That's my favorite question, actually. Feminism, see, this feminism word was created because people felt that females were not given equal opportunities as men, and so that is why there is no word called manism. Equal opportunities are being given to females also. So yes, I think feminism means equality to me.
So, who are the people who inspire you and why?
Of course, it is my dad, Mr. Ratan Taldar, who has inspired me, and it is because of him that I'm in this industry. He has always guided me throughout my career. I get to learn so many things from him, such as while constructing the resort, he has given so much local employment, and you'll be surprised to know that all the stones used in our resort are locally sourced from nearby villages of Udaipur.
Oh.
People use cement while constructing, but my father used lime, which is also known as chuna, to make the resort, because it is very environment friendly. And if you come to Ramada, you'll see that there are cassia stones in the rooms. So foreigners really appreciate it, because cassia stones are generally not found anywhere, and those stones are naturally temperature controlled.
Okay.
So foreigners really love this concept. Also, my father has ensured that 80% of the land area at Ramada is covered by greenery. So horticulture is there in 80% of the land area, which is like huge.
Coming to the theme of the series, are there any situations or instances when you've been told it's a man's world, ये मर्दों की दुनिया है, या ये मर्दों का काम है, आपको नहीं करना चाहिए, आप क्यों कर रहे हैं?
No, I've not been told this anytime. And I also believe that any work can be done by men as well as women. And there are a lot of work, in fact, which can be done in a better way by a woman than a man. So, so yeah, I don't think so.
Okay. So, have there been any log kya kahenge moments in your life?
Uh, I don't think about लोग क्या कहेंगे and I think वो मेरा सोचने का काम नहीं है, वो लोगों का सोचने का काम है. So let people think and I think it's a good thing if people are talking about you. So
Okay. So people take note. लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये चीज़ एक अच्छी पॉजिटिव चीज़ है. इसको एक पॉजिटिव तरीके से मोड़ो अपने लिए. ऑलराइट डॉली, सो हम जानना चाह रहे हैं कि ऐसा क्या आपका ओपिनियन है और आपका इनपुट्स ऑन ब्रिंगिंग अ बेटर जेंडर इक्वालिटी, जहाँ समाज में महिलाओं की भी बराबर भागीदारी रहे, या ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए जिससे कि समाज में लोगों की बराबर भागीदारी रहे, दोनों जेंडर्स की, एंड वुमेन शुड आल्सो पार्टिसिपेट.
yes, I think more and more women should support each other, and it is also the duty of it is also our duty who are at responsible position in various industries to give employment to more women to give employment to more women so that we can have a better equality in our society.
Right. Quick lessons which you want to give it to our audience for a better woman empowerment.
The 3 quick lessons for women empowerment would be education, and also education. Because if a woman is educated, then so many qualities such as leadership quality and knowledge about everything comes naturally to her.
So, coming to the last question of this interview series, Dolly, what message would you want to send out to anyone watching this video or this interview, especially aspiring women hoteliers, कि आप जो उनको मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
I would like to say that hotel industry is great for women to work, and tourism is booming all over the world, and Rajasthan plays a very important part when it comes to tourism. There are tremendous growth opportunities in hotel industry, so if somebody is interested, please do join this wonderful industry.
Alright, so are you hiring?
Yes, that's a continuous process, and we are always in search of talented people. And Udaipur has such great talent. So of course we would be happy to have people who are interested to grow in this industry.
Okay, so Dolly, apart from being a hotelier, what is another phase of Dolly which we are yet to witness? As what do you do when you are not a hotelier?
So I firmly believe in giving back to the society, and so I engage in a lot of corporate social responsibilities, such as we go to local government schools and give them stationery kits, study benches, and we invite them to the resort for lunch, because it's a great experience for them if they come to a 5-star and have lunch and enjoy with their friends. And we also go to their schools and give food and clothes to them, and also for their families. So I started with my own trust. It's called the Miram Foundation, wherein we do a lot of activities for the local government schools, and we have adopted a Chauraha also, and we've beautified it.
Oh, which aura?
Rampura Chauraha.
Okay.
It's the closest Chauraha to our resort, and we have beautified it with a lot of greenery and water bodies.
So if someone wants to reach out to your foundation, and how they can access you?
We are very active on social media, and the page is by the name Miram Foundation, and I've named the trust after my grandparents, Meera Devi ji and Parasram ji. So that is how the name Miram Foundation has arrived. If you want to reach us, please you can directly message us on social media. We are present on Instagram as well as Facebook.
This brings us to end of our interview session. Thank you so much, Dolly, for sparing your time and visiting the UB studios. And we're really happy. And if someone wants to ask anything to Dolly, please use our comment section, and we'll make sure आपके सवाल Dolly जी तक ज़रूर पहुँचे. Before we wrap up, we have a special gift of love on the occasion of Women's Day from Mokaya. There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay, and as a custom, we'll be having a quick selfie with you. So.